black one, di ba?
Takin kayo! Salamat! Di ako galit, inuubo lang. Number 1, Brendan. Number 29, Tulong. Nagkaroon pa mapataan. Number 29, Minadole. At may nakita foul. Oh, Patrick foul! Shoutout ako kay Lalag. Third personal foul. Walang team foul yun eh. Number 16, Pastor number 11. Team foul ka na yun. Ano yun na naman?
Ano na nga, battle of third na lang.
Sabi na kailan wala ba? Alam. Number 19, number 5. Wala pa rin awal yung number 6. Wala nga ito ng ating referee. Mali nating lahat yun.
Bago ka.
Number 7, Pastor number 16. Number 16, tulawan ng bago pa ng bola. Number 16, it is slice ang depensa. Pastor number. Yes, nag-ulan siya by number 7, Lazar. Number 10, Rapiso. Number 10. Setting up play, Pastor number 20, number 20. Wala pa rin, nahuli number. At ang hatol ng referee. Set ball. Number. Yung click. Number 19, Pastor number 29. Lead ball. Number 35, Bulawa, Pastor number 7, Junali pa. Rawan number 29, Bubong, Pastor number 20, Bubong. Then after the night, ang ating score, number 1, Pinkes, Pinwood, Pastor number 7. Sa ito lang at laling referee. Wala ba? Number 7, Pastor number 5, Bulawan. Number 5, what can you respect? Ang mga na referee ay white ball. Number 10, setting up a play. 15 shoot, Pastor number 14, Raimundo ito na pa 30. Wala pa rin, nawala ang mag-top again. Ito number 19. Wala pa rin, nahuli number 20. Number 30. Pass for number 19. 10 shoot. Number 19, pass for number 14. Number 14, suppress. At may nakita. 10 seconds violation. Number 16, Bulawan. Pass for number 1. Bigyan. Number 1. What is that? Pass for number 11. Number 11. Pamila ba ng parang ball? Grabe ang kamay. Bagang-baga na. Number 10, dito. Pass for number 14. Number 14. Pass for number 10 again. Number 10. Ito sabi niya kay number 7. Number 7, number 16, Bulawan. Number 16. Pass for number 1. Bigyan. Number 1. Take and pump. Tapos sabay ko yung sabi. Ay, well, reserve, sige. Number 10. Pass, number 14, Raimundo. 10 shoot. Number 10. Drink puso. Long two. Number 1, Taringan. Nagmamadali. Number 1, pass to number 16, Bulawan. Number 16, tumira ng press. Wala, nakuha ni number. Number 13, pass to number 19, number 19. May tangan ng bola. 11, pass to number 16, Bulawan. Open 16. Pass to number 1, Trinidad, sa press. Wala na number 16. Number 16, at may na. Foul na naman. Kay number 2. Number 2, third personal foul and first team foul. Number 1, Miguel, pass to number 11. Number 11 to number 16, Bulawan. Bulawan. What a step. Pass to number. Nawala yung number 5, pass to number 7, Yasar. Yasar ka na, kayo nakalaran. Nawala number 32. Number 32. Ay, number 2, Marinal. Wala pa rin, nawala number 5.
Relax, relax.
Number 05, pass to number 7. Back, 10 to shoot. Number 05, pass to number 1. Number 1, basic na basket. Ngunit may tapal ka doon. Same ball ang hatol ng ating referee. 7 to shoot. Number 50, ay no, number 05. 5 to shoot. Number 1. Step back. Pink. Number 30. Tumingin pa. Wala pa rin. Nawali number 30 again. Good for 2 para number 32. Number 1 pass to number 05. Bulawan to one back. Number 16. Number 16. Nagbababali. Pass to number 11. Number 11. Take. Wala pa rin. Nawali number 32. Nawali number 17. 7. Number 7 to the back. Good for 2. Number 19. Alpasar. Alpasar. Tingulpas ng depensa. Yung tingulpas ng 2. Number 05. Pass to number 11. Byron. At may nakitang foul mula ka number 24. Number 24. First personal foul and second team foul. Number 11, pass to number 16, Yushin Bigla. Fake news. Number 1, wala ba na number 16? Good control na number 16. Yung ba number 19, ang pasang pass to number 24. Number 24, binababa bola. Hindi rambana, wala na wala number 19, number 19. Wala pa rin, nawala number 11, Byron. Number 11, nagbaba na ulit. Number 11. Basic ang basketball sa malam ito. Yung play number 2. Number 2 talaga. Nakapangit yan. Para pagin-pagi. Number 2. What a step. O, tingnan mo. Magtatagin ka na. Take the guy. In proper uniform.
Ba't na ba yun?
Pero basket yun.
Take the guy na.
Tignan lang naman ko.
Papaalala po sa ating mga player. Magtanangin po tayo para poging-pogi.
Kasi magdakan ko. Hindi nga alam.
Boy,
Counted.
pangalan.
Dalawa naman.
Yung ginagawa mo ka.
Okay.
Magkasyon ka tingga dito ah. Magkasyon ka tingga dito ah.
Dapat yan. Dapat yan.
Nanganak ng nanay yung
Number 45. Pass to number 16. Number 16, Bulawan. Naghanap ng pagpasa, pass to number 1, sa dress. Nawala pa rin. Nakuha ni number 24. Nakuha ni number 5. Wala pa rin. Nakuha ni number 10. Number 10. Intercept na number 16. Number 16. Bantag na lang. Wala pa rin. Nakuha ni number 16 pa rin. Bulawan. Umikot. Napawag si Bluming. Intercept na number 10. Repiso. Number 10. Nagbamadali. Wala pa rin. Nakuha ni number 1. Tinigel. Number 1. Pass to number 7. Yasar. Pass to number 16. Bulawan. To number 5. Pass to number 11. Tuwak na konensyon. Kay primary connection.
Bigyan, sir.
Substitution, mamaya na.
Jangan sir dito.
Number 16, Bulawan. Number 16, setting up the play. 10 to shoot. Pass to number 1 sa 3.
Yes, posted.
Number 14, pass to number 11. To number 14 again. Number 14, pass to number 10. Rituso, pass to number 14 again. Number 14, Don Garamote. Intercept number 7. Number 7, nagmamadali. Pass to number 24. Hindi na makayo mo. Oh, wow. Substitution, Mr. Red. Sub, lima kayo. Labas. 5 out, 5 in. Yan ang Samuel. Andy Hages. Number 13, Bandilo. Pass to number 27, Castro. Number 27. Up. Number 10, pass to number 13, Bandilo. Pass to number 08. Number 08, take news. Take news.
Dua, boy.
Number 14, Raimundo. Number 14, 15 to shoot. Pass to number 24, Marcasos. To number 29. Number 29, facing number 6. Ano mga gusto kong player? Ano nagpapakita ng muscle pag lumilipad? Number 10. Intercept number 10 ng Repiso. Number 27, Castro. Ginamitan ng laki. Iwala pa rin. Nawali number 29. Budong. Number 29, nagpamadali. Number 29, what a step, what a pass. Watawala. Nawali number. Si White. Yuan. Nawali number 10. Nawali number 13. Nawali number 29. Number 29, pass play. Kay number 24.
Tado. Dapat ideya. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Panganay. Pangalawa.
Si Andre. Uy, sana yun na yun. Tama naman yung row 1.
Number 10. Number 10.
Dalawa kayo na.
First personal foul and first big foul. Wala. Di ba may number 27? Castro. Pass break. Kay number. Masyadong malakas. 1 minute exactly. Happy doing the ball kay Mr. Richard Pokot. Number 24, Mercatus. Pass to number 14. Pass to number 10, Repiso. Wala pa rin. Nawala ni number 14. Good control. 45 seconds remaining. Number 13, Benrudo. Bigla sa wala pa rin. Nawala ni number 36 seconds. Number 19, wala. Nawala ni number 10, Repiso. Using the block, move control.
Oh, Lord.
12 seconds remaining. Number 10, pass to number 37. Number 10, wala na pumasyan lang. Number 37, Bunga. 15, 13. Number 7, number 19. Number 14, number 14, nagmakabali. Wala pa rin, nawala ni number 10, Repiso.
Sayang. Talo.
Wala. You. Number 10, foul. Pushing foul. Second personal foul and second team foul.
Ha?
That's all. Isa ito po.
Zero!
Back to the ball game.
Pero pag 6 minutes lang.
Number 20. Number 20. Goes in the glass. 2-2. Number 7, pass to number 16. Number 16, pass to number 2-5. To number 7. To number 11. 7-11. Walk the road. Number 29. Number 29 is down over there. Number 29, pass to number 14. Raimundo. Wala pa rin. Nawala number 29. Ulit na huli number. Sinderella talaga. Number 1. Number 1. Over sa number 10. Number 10 to number 14. Bulater. 29. Busing the glass. Number 2. Number na po. Down. Apat ang Pinomena. Number 11. Pass to number 1. Bigel. Bigel. Nilagpasan ng mga kalaban. Pass to number 11. Number 11. Busing the glass. Number 2. Number 11, pass to number 30. Number 30 to number 10. Rapiso. Number 10. Magandang triple ang pinapakita. Pass to number 32 to number. Hindi nag-aintindihan ang meaning. Disconnection. Number 16, Bulaban. Number 16. 15 to shoot. Bulaban, pass to number 1. Pergen, sa 3. Wala pa rin, ako na number 10, Repiso. Repiso, pass to number 11. Number 5, Bulaban. Number 5. Number 39, pass to number 13, Raimundo. Raimundo, Consultant. Pass to number 29, 3 seconds, violation to number 30. Time out! Santa. Number 5, Bulawan. Nasaan niyo pa rin? Foul, counter. Foul by number. Basket count. Number 30, foul. Number 30, second personal foul. And first team foul. Wow. Ball shot para number 5, Bulawan. Complete 3 para number 5. Number 14, pass to number 29. Bulawan. Number 29. Wala mo na nakuli number 05. Number 05, kaya lang ba madali? Nakuli number. Number 7. Number 7, pass to number 5 to number 11. Misconnection na naman. Number 11, pass to number 14, Raimundo. Raimundo may nakanaan ng bola. Raimundo, pull up J. Wala pa rin wala number 11. Number 11, pass to number 05. Number 05 may nakanaan ng bola. Pass to number 16, number 16. Number 16, gandang move sa pinapakita. Wala pa rin, nakuha ni number 16 again. Number 16, pull up J. Wala pa rin. Number 20 to number 14. Nasunod na number 05. Number 05 na yung nagkakataan ng bola. Meron ng foul. Wala ka number 14. Number 14. First personal foul at may pinag-aandang ko at second team foul. Number 05. Pass to number 16. Combine. Number 16. Wala na wala number 1. Brigel.
Tulungan nyo!
Number 1, pass pass to number 05, Bulawan. 15 to shoot. Number 05. Setting up a play. Number 05, tumira ng 3. Wala. 3. Number 16, may nakata ng bola. Pass to number 1. Number 1, tumira ng 3. Wala pa rin. Nawali na. Number 19. Number 19. Number 19. Pass to number 11. Number 11, tumira ng 3. Wala na. Wala number 7. Turnover. Yung sa pwede number 2. Foul by number 16. First personal foul and first team foul.
Sino ba lang
Foul. Foul number 05. Number 05. Third personal foul and second team foul.
Ayun na, inaalok ako ah. Oo. Ako na,
Remove by number 30. Pass to number 19. Number 19. Stop and foul running bola. Number 7. Number 7. Pass to number 16. Number 16 niya ay down the ball. Yung stop by number 10. Number 10. Pass to number 19. Number 19. Gantang bola. Gumagamitan. Nakakatawan. Number 0 niya ay down ng bola. Number 05. Ay, number 16 pala yun. Wala pa rin. Number 11. Byron. Byron. Ginugulo ng 25 laban. Number 1, taken.
Alat ng 3 points mo ah.
Number 14, pass to number 10. Okay. Number 5 to shoot. Number 19. Wala pa rin. Nawala yung number. 19 pa rin. Go for show sa number 19. Ang score pa natin ay 6-7. 6-1. Laro round. May alam. Number 7. Number 19. Pass to number 10. Rapiso. Pass to number 1. Bench ko ng Salver. Number 14. Pass to number 10. Rapiso. Nawala yung number. 5 to shoot. Nawala yung number. Number 10. Rapiso pa rin. Wala yung number. 7. Pass to number 5. Number 5 to number 11. Number 11 yan namin nakaraw ng bola. Number 11. Foul. Foul number 14. Number 20. 29. Ayan mo. 19 pa lang. Sorry. Number 19. Second personal foul and third team foul. Bonus throw para kay number 11. Not good. Nawala number 12 ball. Foul. Foul number 11. Number 11. Warning for disqualification and third team foul. Number 48, pass to number 24, Mercasio. Pass to number 29. Number 29 to number 13. Number 40, Raimundo. Pass to number 10, Rodrigo. Number 2, ang score po natin ay 68-65. Lamang ang may alam. Number 1, Beringel. Pass to number 7, Yasar. Yasar. Gandang galaw. Pass to number 35. Number 35, Bumangga. Wala ba rin. Number 11. Good for two. Number 11. Mainit na mainit. Number 14, Raimundo. Yung bench po, yung bench ng Salver. Number 14, pass number 24, Mercasio. 15 shoot, at may nagang foul mula kay number. Number 05. Number 05, warning for disqualification and warning for penalty. Number 14, Raimundo, pass number 29, Gudo. Buti naman,
Pantay.
Number 1, Trinkel. Pass to number 7, to number 11, 7-11. Pass to number 16, pull up James, wala pa rin. Now number 16 again, number 16, pass to number 11. At manakitan, madaling violation. We shoot the ball game. Number 29, pass to number 24, number 12, back to number 29. Number 29, may tawang-tawang ng bola. Number 29, tulong sa depensa. Nawali number 11. Number 11, nawali number 19. 10 shoot. Nawali number 10. Reviso. Pass to number 10 ball. 5 to shoot. Number 14. Yung bench po ng Salmon. Substitution, Mr. Webb. Number 16, second personal foul and penalty.
Wala na.
Sa score na 7-2, 6-7. Ang pangatlo kaya, kung pangatlo hindi. Number 1, Brinkel. Brinkel may dapat ng bola. Brinkel. Sa'yo bola matula ang referee.
Kirne.
Number 1, pass to number 11. Intercepted by number 14. Number 14, intercepted by number 1. Number 1. At meron kita. Number, hindi mo na makita. Number 10 pass to number 14.
Bayan sa?
Number 14 may tawag-tawag ng bola. 15 to shoot. Number 14, pass to number 10 ball. Wala na, wala number 7. Pass to number 5 to number 16. Bilawan. Number 16, play yung big stage, bumayta! Number 29, Duto. Slow mo pa. Ngunit ako na number 7. Pass to number 16. Number 16, pass to number 1 to press. Gamay. Number 19.
Libre ito.
Number 19, may tawag ng bola. Number 19, 15 shoot. Number 19, nagagawa ng play. Wow. Number 19, 10 to shoot. Pass number 14, 5 to shoot. Number 14, intercepted the number. Number 79. 1 second to shoot. Alanganin.
1 second, dalawa.
Third of seconds violation. Number 7, pass number 1 to number 7 again. Number 7, may tawag naman ng bola, pass number 11, Byron, pass to number 05. Number 05, tumira na. Isa na lang ba, wala naman, push to back end. Number 14. Pass number 19, number 19 may tawag naman ng bola. yung bench mo, papaalala. Ako na number 19. Wala pa rin. Ako number 19 again. Wala pa rin. Ako number 1 again. Number 1. That's number 7. 7. Ay, ang foul. Wala kay number 24.
Nice one. Dalawa mo, dalawa.
Ha?
Kami talaga labot.
One and one disqualification.
Pagdating na ka ba?
Wala pa penalty. Ano? Second personal foul and running for penalty. Number 7. Pass to number 7. Number 7. Pull up 10. Wala pa rin. Ako na number 7 again. Number 7. Number 19. Number 11. Push it down. Number 10. Graduate. Graduate.
Agad kayo sa may
Penalty.
Graduate or penalty.
Wala na, shoot na yan. Shooter yan eh. Wala na yan. Wala pang mintis yan eh. Oh. See?
Akso ang ulan.
3 points dapat. 3 points.
Para mag-overtime.
Pag nag-order.
Ang pangalawa yan. Papasok o hindi? Ewan ko.
Wag na, wag na.
Wala. Nawala na ba ito?